a great treat, I think. That crunch is superb. Okay, welcome back everybody. We got a fun one today. I've got a snack I want to share with you. It's maybe something that can help supplement some of the chocolate flavor that you've been looking for. This kind of satisfies it. So I found it at Costco recently with Annie. So it's called Dark Chocolate Keto Nuggets. So here you go. So the ingredients that are used in this are actually fairly healthy. There's very few processed ingredients. On the back, it says organic coconut, dark chocolate, let's see, unsweetened chocolate, cane sugar, cocoa butter, tapioca, syrup, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, erythritol, quinoa, inulin, sea salt, natural flavor, xanthan gum. And so the only thing in there that's maybe questionable is the natural flavor, but everything else looks really good. And if you were to probably make these yourself, that would be pretty expensive to do. I'll show you the back right here. And yeah. And so they look like these little chocolate nuggets right here, and they're pretty small. And this amount right here, that's equivalent to approximately 1 ounce. That gives you about 150 calories. There's quite a lot of calories for this small amount of treat, but there's less processed stuff inside this snack right here. Oh yeah. I'm really enjoying this. It has the dark chocolate flavor, but it's not too dark, so it's not bitter. And then you can taste the coconut, the sweetness of the coconut in there. And then on top of it, you have the crunch from, I guess, the seeds, and it almost tastes like granola, like the way that it all comes together. But the chocolate on there is just amazing. The one thing I will note is that you will get like, this stuff melts really fast. So maybe put it in the refrigerator or just have a napkin nearby. It was really good. Wow. I could eat so many of these. Dang it. I think these are kind of dangerous because you'll probably overeat. So like again, one little tip is to put them in a small little bowl like this so that you don't overeat. Is it worth the calories? I don't think so. I don't think it's worth 150 calories for this amount, but it is worth it to kind of, if you want to eat something healthier. So yeah, you could eat a Kit Kat bar. You'd probably go through the same amount of calories for the same amount of volume, but this tastes just as good, if not better. If you're looking for a better choice, I'd recommend this. Yeah, and so yeah, this is really good, and it's also a little small celebration for myself. I wanted to share with you that I've lost 35 pounds. Just weighed in this morning, and actually earlier this week, and so this is the new milestone. So I'm now at 160, and it feels good. This is a little celebration, and I wanted to thank everybody for supporting me on this. And yeah, go out and get yourself a little treat and enjoy yourself some of these, what are they called again? Dark Chocolate Keto Nuggets. So yeah, go for it. All right, y'all. Cheers, and I'll see you soon.